AI integration in TeamCity. Techniques for automated testing and deployment. In the rapidly evolving landscape of software development, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, into continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD, processes has emerged as a game changer. TeamCity, a powerful CI/CD tool developed by JetBrains, offers a robust platform for automating the build, test, and deployment processes. By incorporating AI into TeamCity, organizations can enhance their testing and deployment strategies, leading to improved efficiency, reduced errors, and faster time to market. This blog will explore various techniques for automating testing and deployment using AI in TeamCity, along with case studies that showcase successful implementations. Techniques for automated testing with AI. Automated testing is a critical component of the CI/CD pipeline, and AI can significantly enhance this process. Here are several techniques for integrating AI into automated testing within TeamCity. Intelligent test selection. One of the most effective ways to optimize testing is through intelligent test selection. AI algorithms can analyze code changes and historical test results to determine which tests are most relevant to run. By focusing on the tests that are likely to catch defects based on recent changes, teams can reduce the overall testing time while maintaining high coverage. This technique not only speeds up the testing process, but also ensures that critical tests are prioritized, leading to quicker feedback for developers. Predictive analytics for test failures. AI can be employed to predict potential test failures by analyzing historical data. Machine learning models can identify patterns in past test results, build configurations, and code changes that correlate with test failures. By flagging builds that are likely to fail before they are executed, teams can proactively address issues, reducing the time spent on debugging and rework. This predictive capability allows for a more efficient allocation of resources and helps maintain a smooth development workflow. Automated test generation. AI can assist in generating test cases automatically, based on the application's code and user behavior. By analyzing the codebase and user interactions, AI algorithms can create relevant test scenarios that cover a wide range of use cases. This technique not only saves time in test creation, but also ensures that the tests are comprehensive and aligned with real-world usage patterns. Natural language processing. NLP for test automation. NLP can be utilized to enhance test automation by allowing testers to write test cases in natural language. AI-powered tools can interpret these natural language descriptions and convert them into executable test scripts. This approach lowers the barrier for non-technical team members to contribute to the testing process, fostering collaboration and improving overall test coverage. Continuous learning and adaptation. AI systems can continuously learn from new data and adapt their strategies accordingly. By integrating feedback loops into the testing process, AI can refine its algorithms based on the outcomes of previous tests. This continuous learning approach ensures that the testing process evolves over time, becoming more efficient and effective as the application and its requirements change. Techniques for automated deployment with AI. In addition to enhancing testing, AI can also optimize deployment processes within TeamCity. Here are some techniques for integrating AI into automated deployment. Smart deployment strategies. AI can analyze historical deployment data to recommend optimal deployment strategies. For instance, it can suggest blue-green deployments or canary releases based on the application's performance metrics and user feedback. By leveraging AI to determine the best deployment approach, organizations can minimize downtime and reduce the risk of introducing defects into production. Anomaly detection in deployment. AI can be employed to monitor deployment processes in real time, identifying anomalies that may indicate potential issues. By analyzing logs, performance metrics, and user interactions, AI algorithms can detect unusual patterns that could signify a problem. This proactive monitoring allows teams to address issues before they escalate, ensuring a smoother deployment process. Automated rollback mechanisms. In the event of a failed deployment, AI can facilitate automated rollback mechanisms. By continuously monitoring application performance and user feedback, AI can determine when a deployment has negatively impacted the system. In such cases, it can trigger a rollback to the previous stable version, minimizing downtime and ensuring a seamless user experience. Resource optimization for deployments. AI can optimize resource allocation during deployment by analyzing historical data on resource usage and performance. By predicting the resource requirements for upcoming deployments, AI can ensure that the necessary infrastructure is provisioned in advance, reducing wait times and improving overall deployment efficiency. Case studies showcasing successful AI implementations. To illustrate the practical benefits of AI integration in TeamCity, let's explore a few case studies of organizations that have successfully implemented these techniques. One notable example is a leading e-commerce platform that integrated AI into its CI/CD pipeline using TeamCity. By implementing intelligent test selection and predictive analytics, the organization was able to reduce its testing time by 40%. The AI algorithms analyzed code changes and historical test results, allowing the team to focus on the most relevant tests. As a result, the platform achieved faster release cycles and improved software quality, leading to increased customer satisfaction. Another case study involves a financial services company that adopted AI-driven deployment strategies within TeamCity. By leveraging smart deployment recommendations and anomaly detection, the organization minimized deployment failures and reduced downtime. The AI system analyzed historical deployment data and user feedback to suggest optimal deployment strategies, resulting in a 30% decrease in deployment-related incidents. This proactive approach not only improved operational efficiency, but also enhanced the overall user experience. A third example is a software development firm that utilized AI for automated test generation and continuous learning. By implementing AI-driven test generation, the company significantly reduced the time spent on creating test cases. The AI system analyzed user behavior and application code to generate relevant test scenarios automatically. Additionally, the continuous learning aspect allowed the AI to adapt its test strategies based on real-time feedback, leading to a more robust testing process. This integration resulted in a 50% reduction in testing time and a notable increase in test coverage. Conclusion: integrating AI into TeamCity for automated testing and deployment offers organizations a powerful way to enhance their CI/CD processes. By leveraging techniques such as intelligent test selection, predictive analytics, automated test generation, and smart deployment strategies, teams can improve efficiency, reduce errors, and accelerate time to market. The case studies highlighted in this blog demonstrate the tangible benefits of AI integration, showcasing how organizations have successfully transformed their development workflows. As the software development landscape continues to evolve, embracing AI will be crucial for organizations looking to maintain a competitive edge. By adopting these techniques and learning from successful implementations, teams can harness the full potential of AI in TeamCity, driving innovation and delivering high-quality software that meets the demands of users and stakeholders alike. The future of software development is undoubtedly intertwined with AI, and organizations that proactively integrate these technologies will be well-positioned to thrive in an increasingly dynamic environment. Thank you for watching.